What do we have here?
Welcome to Mikasa. Putting some things on to the new FL5.
Ugly car. No, I'm kidding.
What? Sir?
It's a gorgeous car.
Thank you, thank you.
And this gorgeous about to rain weather. This guy thinks I'm a peasant and made me park in the grass. I know my car's faster, but come on.
I don't know about that one too.
Alright, what are we doing today?
I got my Honda. What are we doing today?
What are we doing today, Mr. Tin?
We're putting on a new undisclosed exhaust.
Alright, yeah, we're not gonna show anything, but
NDA, important,
NDA.
Don't break those.
But if you guys want to hear it, check out his channel, Mr. Tin Nguyen.
That's me.
That's him. We're just here as a support crew. Because this guy can't install a damn exhaust by himself.
He's here for the tools. I'm here to use his tools.
Yeah. He's only using my tools, you know?
That's right.
The tools gotta use the tools.
That's all he's good for.
The tools gotta use the tools. Alright. And we got it just in time. Look at that disgusting water piling up. It's delicious. I dare you to drink that.
Yeah?
Nah.
Say no more, fam.
He ain't gonna drink it. Alright, we've got the car raised up a little further. It's gotta go down. Well, he's gonna go down. I'm not installing this for him. And then take out the giant one-piece exhaust. We'll see you once it comes out. Alright, install procedure is gonna be pretty similar to all your 10th and 11th gen Hondas. Gotta get down there, get low, get nice and low.
Oh, dude, there's no.
And then you take off 3 bolts off the mid pipe.
Where?
In front of that big ass can. Oh, what's up, Jay?
What's up, dude?
We got the full K20 gang here. You know what we're missing? We're missing a Type S now.
Damn. Nobody got one of those.
Oh, I got one of those.
Yeah,
we got the C1, the C4. We just need the C8.
The C8 Corvette? Yeah, I got you.
Look at this man struggling. He's struggling.
I'm doing fucking gymnastics in here.
And look at that giant thing. I smacked that Miata real quick.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's bring it inside.
Damn, Honda, why do you do this to us, man? Why you gotta make it one giant piece?
I don't know, man.
Ooh, don't smack the car, don't smack the car. Damn, this guy racing over here in the middle of work.
Oh, shit. I got it. Yeah, nobody's working today, dude. Not me.
Alright, we got the exhaust out. Hey, Tin, you gonna start it without the exhaust? I think the people want it. You guys want to see it? I think the people want to see it. Alright, here we go. FL5 startup. Front pipe, down pipe only.
I got my kilos there this whole time.
Oh. That sounds good.
That sounds good.
We should leave it like that.
Hell no. I can't hear shit.
Give it a couple flips.
Yeah, I'll know.
Ooh, you hear that turbo? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. What do you think? Do you like it, Tin?
I love it. Didn't even throw a code. And anywhere, technically, so.
Here's the secret exhaust.
You want more lifetimes?
That's some secret exhaust here. We ain't gonna tell them what brand this is. Stainless 304?
Yeah, 304.
Nice.
Made in America.
Nice, good bends, good bends. Alright, we got a bit of a disappointing update, I would say.
A little bit.
A little bit. The exhaust didn't come with the front pipe gasket.
Don't hear about this.
They said it would come with one, but or they said to reuse the old one, but you can't.
There wasn't one.
Thumbs down. All right, we got a quick update here. The man that bought the exhaust here didn't check the box for the gasket. Oops. Motherfucker. I thought I was about to call AWE shit.
My bad.
But this guy just didn't know the gasket was in there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Called him out right here. Right here. Right here.
Wait, who are we gonna call?
You.
Undisclosed.
No.
We can't release
I'll bleep it out. I'll bleep it out. Don't worry.
Oh, wait. We're gonna release on Friday anyways.
I'll bleep it out. Don't worry. But this guy didn't check the box all the way.
Certified stupid.
Oh, disappointed. Man, stupid as hell. All right, everything's almost on.
Hey.
We got most of it on. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Who this?
What am I looking for?
It's okay. It's all black over here.
A wrench. It's back there. It's back there. Yo, Alan, can you show this guy what a wrench looks like?
That's an extension. That's an extension, you fool. What do you want, Tin?
A 16 wrench.
A 16. That's a 13. That's not a 16.
That one says 16 on it.
That says 13 over 16.
That's what he wants.
He wants just a 16. Wait. Do you want the wrench or the ratchet? Wrench? I think it's on the other side. Final touches, right, Tin?
That's right.
I can't even see your face down here.
That's right.
The shield's blocking it.
I don't even know why we're tightening things without starting the car first.
No, you gotta tighten it so it doesn't leak. Start at 11. Damn, this guy works slow. He works slow.
How drastic the sound cars the sound.
We'll see.
That might be like all 3 cars.
Oh, we're putting on the final touches, right?
Just the tips.
Just the tip.
Okay.
Pin it to red line real quick.
When it's cold.
No, turn it back on, go in there and check for leaks. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you want to hear that full exhaust, check out his video. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys want to hear the full exhaust, check out this fan over here, which is dirty ass back.
Make sure you censor this. This is not safe for
Oh, no, I'm not censoring it. Alright, check out this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.